In this video, I'll show you how to change the measurement units in PowerPoint on Windows. To view your current measurement units, go to the Design tab, click Slide Size, and select Custom. To change it, open the search bar, type Control Panel, and then open it. Click on Clock and Region, click on Region, click on Additional Settings. Under Measurement Systems, choose Metric for centimeters or US for inches. Click Apply, and then OK. Your PowerPoint units are now updated. As you can see, our units have been changed to centimeters. That's how you change the measurement units in PowerPoint on Windows. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.